What is going on, guys? Welcome back to James's RC Garage. Today, as you can see, I have the rims and tires put together, and I also got my wheel weights in yesterday, so we're gonna put those on. So, pick these up off of Amazon. Part number X002RZTQOR. Or 0R, sorry. X002RZTQ0R. Trail extended wheel hubs, 5mm, 12 grams a piece. So we're gonna get them on the Bronco today. It's funny that the box of rims did not come with decals, but yet the packages of everything else come with decals. It's just really weird. So, comes with hardware, looks like some washers, and some extra axle keys. Alright, let's get them open, get the wheels off, put them on there, see how they look. Like I said before, I've been trying to do all trail stuff on here on the Bronco. Just because the fit and finish is amazing. 98% of the time. So there's that. Alright, let's get these wheels out of the way. So there we go. These are directional too, guys. So you want to make sure you got them going the right way you want. You know what I mean? You know, so if you want them to look like they're going this way, make sure you put them on the right side. So we got that one. That's a passenger side. That is going to be a driver's side, and then this one will be a passenger side. Alright. So, we'll start with the passenger side. Alright. Take the trail off. Take the wheel extender off. Clean all the garbage out of there. Okay. Slide that on. Nice fit. Alright. Slide that on in there like that. And we'll put our wheel nut back in. Heck yeah. Alright, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but that is looking mighty cool. I don't know how well you can see that in there, but they are brass. Like the says trail brass extended wheel hubs, 5mm plus counterweight, 12 grams. And they are the black style. Heck yeah, guys. Alright, so now somebody also commented to me on my build video of these that these have some weight to them, and they do a little bit, but I think the hex weights will work with these as well. So let's try that out. That's the main reason why we're doing this video. This video today is to put the wheel weights and the look-alike Bronco wheels in red. Okay. A little snook in there. So, need to twist it. Our paint and stuff is keeping things together. Slightly just give it a push, or over here at the so that is okay. So we might have to use the supplied hardware that comes with the wheel weights, guys. These anodized ones are not letting us come apart very well. Come on.
As you enter a world where heads will turn, just not in your direction, where the highest resolution camera on a smartphone will be in someone else's pocket, and that epic moonshot that's
There we go.
the likes.
Alright, let's get this back on the truck.
Is not coming soon to an iPhone near you. It's already here. In the galaxy.
Menards
He's
is your
open.
lighting headquarters. We have a great selection of lights from top brands, including
Should have paused it there,
Reserve
guys. Sorry
lighting.
about
Reserve
that.
light
But
fixtures are eco-friendly and super efficient.
just want to show you if you got the anodized
Get a light that complements your unique style, has cutting edge,
wheel nuts
innovative features, or helps you with
for your
project.
wheel
Like
extensions.
I say,
They
11%
might
on all good earth light fixtures at Menards.
be a little tight. Let's check this right away. Make sure that there's going to be no catching. It's a little snug, but damn, that sucks because I prefer to use the red. Okay. Passenger side. Alright. They fit on, but the silver part of the back of the rim here, guys, covers it up. Which is okay, I guess, but we'll see if the look is gonna be good. If not, we'll go back to like a regular hex or something. There we go, guys. Still got the wheel weight in there, but the silver covers it up, which is alright. I mean, you can still see some of the trail through the spacing, but let's get another tire on here and see how we're looking. The silver is not too bad for the center wheel nut. That'll look okay, I think. Maybe I'll do them in black Sharpie or something. Okay, the other passenger side. Get that on there like that. Okay. This is my other passenger side wheel. Oh, come on, James, get it on there. Shouldn't be anything, Alright. We have another tissue here. Alright, that's gonna seem to be an issue. The anodization is keeping it. Now they fall right into the trail rims. So we might just use the hex extenders on these rims, and we'll keep these for the trails, and we'll use these for these. That's how we're gonna work that. Let's see if we have any binding issues popping into there. No, we do not. So that's how that's going to work. We might do front, just keep front weight, because the ass end is heavy enough as it is already. So, alright, come on here. Now what? Okay, so the silver one doesn't want to work. Does the red one want to work? You gotta be freaking hosing me, man. .3 fucking rims. Pardon my French. This shit ain't working. It's supposed to be 1 inch. That's what they said on Amazon. 1.0. No problem on the trail rim. Alright guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna figure this out. Okay guys, I got it figured out. So what I'm gonna do here is I took the drill in my hand one and I just kind of reamed the hole out a little bit. Front ones fit just fine, but the rear ones, for some reason, I don't know why these pins or hub nuts, you know, don't want to slide through on 2 out of the 4 rims. So yeah, I just taking this here and I'm just kind of hollowing out the hole. Is that what she said thing? Hollowing out the hole? You ain't gotta press too hard. Just let the drill bit do the work. Now I'm gonna flip it over. Come from the back side. We're just hollowing out the hole a little bit, reaming out the hole a little bit. That's what she said. Taking a little bit of material out at a time. There we go. Come back through the front. Alright. Pull this back tire off. Like I said, I'm going to use the trail weights in the front. And we're just going to use the wheel wideners in the rear. Pretty freaking sweet. There you go, guys. New rims on the Bronco. And the little blue Raptor got his rim update. Look at that, guys. Isn't that freaking snazzy? I'm loving it. Freaking awesome. Oh, there you go, guys. A rim change on both Lil Raptor and the Bronco. The little blue Raptor and the Bronco. So yeah, as always, guys, like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you next time. Peace.